any package. Maxace knives. Tape. It's another Neptune. Ziploc. These Neptunes are pretty sweet. Dark Neptune. Single edge. Silver Neptune. Kind of a cool finish. Uncolored aluminum. It's got a little, some sort of texturing on it. See the little bumps? Yeah. Let's see. Oops. Ran out of recording time. Garbage trucks going down the road. Extra sound effects. This is the double edge chunk. Double edge Neptune. Single edge Neptune. The same length. Wait. Neptune. Double Neptune. These are sweet. Maxace has been slowly dropping these. Just gotta kind of keep an eye out. I gotta clear out some space so I can record without stopping every minute. Anyways, the Neptunes. I got like 50 seconds left. These are cool OTFs. I mean, for the price, pretty amazing. They're an SLD magic steel. Aluminum handles. Now I can dual wield them. I can do that. I can do that. I can do that. I can do that. Pretty sweet. Anyway, just a quick little unboxing of the new silver one here. Thanks for watching. Please consider subscribing.